All right, you found the blade, Marcus?
The power supply is still smoking.
Power supply is still smoking. It blew the chips off the board.
Yeah. I saw that.
It's beautiful.
Here's the power supply.
There's something still burning behind you.
I'm gonna say that's dead. That was definitely good. I love that.
Look it's molded perfectly to the stump.
Yeah,
Like-
actually show that. That's the stump here.
Like, look at that.
It's perfect.
This is genius. It did. It molded just right to the stump. That's impressive.
Yeah. See what else we got.
This.
Oh, here's the other side. Here's the board with... It blew the whole processor socket and everything. It blew off the PCI Express port.
I know. I've seen this PCI Express port's
Like,
gone.
there's just things missing. Wow, there's the heat sink. That's still warm.
Well, this thing.
That's the center to the fan.
Yeah.
Oh, hey! The processor is still locked in the socket.
Beautiful.
I like it.
What about this?
That's the top.
Hey, it's still got the license on it.
It does.
You can't blow off a Windows, what is it, a Windows XP license? Oh, Vista. You can't blow off a Vista license. Huh. Oh, wow. I knew I heard a piece fly way over there.
I watched it fly right past me. Monica got a piece all the way over there.
It's amazing.